your girl Cali. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this red poppin eyeshadow, sis. Let's get into it. Okay, if you would like to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified, and please share this video. I'm really trying to reach 100 subscribers, and that would help me out a lot. Let's just jump straight into the tutorial. Hey guys, I'm starting off by priming my eyes using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Tan, and I'm just taking this brush and blending everything out. For my eyeshadow today, I will be using my James Charles palette. I'm going in with the shade You're Kidding, I believe, and I am just going to pack that color all over on my lids using this eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques. This eyeshadow look is very simple. You literally only need 2 eyeshadow colors, and as you guys can see, I just keep building it up. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps on my other eye, just going in with that color and slowly but surely building it up. I recommend you use patting motions and not swiping motions. It just gives you the most pigment. Now I'm taking the shade Rusted, which is directly above that red eyeshadow, and I'm only taking a little bit and a small blending brush to buff the edges out. You do not want to blend this eyeshadow too much because I really want the red to stand out. I'm going back in with the shade You're Kidding and just applying more of that eyeshadow on my lids. To prime my face, I'm using my Benefit Professional Primer. And for foundation today, I will be using my Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in F16. It is a little red for me, so I'm going to mix my Maybelline foundation in the shade 355 just to help neutralize the foundation a bit. Now I'm going to highlight my face using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Tan. I'm applying it under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. I'm also taking my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Rich Ebony to cream contour. I haven't done this in a while, but I felt like being extra today. And I'm applying it on my cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. I'm just going to blend everything in using this angle brush I got from Shein. Now I'm blending out my cream contour. You want to blend straight and up and not down. It just helps to lift your cheekbones and give you that snatched effect. I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer just to brighten up under my eyes a bit more. I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup powder to set the places I highlight. I do apologize that the footage is blurry, but I have an in-depth foundation routine on my channel, so be sure to check that out. I'm going in with the same red shade to line my waterline. I really feel like this brings the whole look together. I'm also going to go in with my Essence mascara and apply that on my bottom lashes. I'm using a dark brown lip pencil to line my lips, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in Mocha Twist. It's so bomb. If you buy anything from this video, please get this gloss. It's only $3. I'm going in with clear gloss to really top the lip off. To set my face, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is really bomb. I high-key recommend it. And to highlight, I'm using the It's My Riri palette, and I'm going in with the shade Radiant. I'm applying that on my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose. I didn't want to go too ham with the highlight. I really wanted it to be subtle. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.